If you're searching for a 5-star cat tower, today's your lucky day. Naomi Home presents the Lulu Large Cat Tower, designed with a 2-tier platform for maximum comfort. It's perfect for scratching, playing, climbing, and resting, keeping your cat engaged, reducing the chances of them scratching furniture or other household items. Each level of this cat tower can hold up to 50 pounds, allowing 2 cats to play simultaneously. This large cat tower comes in various colors such as green, beige, and gray. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.